Before you begin, remove the base enclosure, battery bracket, solid-state drives, fan, and trunk. Removal. Carefully disconnect the fan cable from its connector on the system board. Remove the three 5mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the fan to the top cover. Note, the heatsink has numbers adjacent to the following 8 screws. Loosen the 8 captive P1 Phillips head screws that secure the heatsink over the processor components in numerical order. Note, due to the adhesive quality of the thermal grease located between the heatsink and processor components, it may be necessary to move the heatsink from side to side to detach it from the system board. Carefully lift the heatsink off of the system board and remove. Replacement. Note, before replacing the heatsink, the thermal grease should be replaced every time the heatsink is removed. Align the screw holes on the heatsink with the standoffs on the system board and place the heatsink into position. Tighten the 8 captive P1 Phillips head screws that secure the heatsink over the processor components in numerical order. Replace the 3 5mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the fan to the top cover. Connect the fan cable to its connector on the system board.
Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe for more videos and weekly updates.